My dear kids, a very sweet and lovely good morning to all of you. My dear kids, I have told you and taught you about solar system, but I thought that you might enjoy it while doing the joyful learning on solar system. So I thought to play a puzzle with you. Yes, the puzzle is on the planet of solar system. Yes, the puzzle is on the planets of solar system. And so our today's topic is planet puzzle. Planet puzzle. As I know you all enjoy to learn in a playful way, so I thought of this game. So I have created some puzzles for you all. Okay, and it's the time to show you all those puzzle pieces. So kids, look here. I have created 8 pieces of puzzle in which each puzzle is having some body parts of a body parts of an astronaut. Each part of the puzzle contains one body part of astronaut, and in each of the puzzle, in each of the piece of puzzle there is one name of the planet. So there are 8 pieces of puzzle, and in puzzle pieces there are names of the planet. Okay, see here, all the planets name we have to arrange in their orbit according to the number of their orbit. We have to arrange them. Okay, which planet is in the first orbit, it will come first. Then which planet is in the second orbit, it will come second. According to this, we have to arrange the planet's name, puzzle pieces in the very good. We have to arrange the puzzle pieces in the manner of solar system. Okay, so let us start now. Can you tell me which one is the first planet that is nearest to the sun also? Yes, which planet stays in the first orbit and it is very near to the sun also? Yes, guess everybody. Very good. It is Mercury. It is Mercury. Now let us see where is the Mercury. Yes, I got it. Here it is. So Mercury is here. See here, stars are always shining high in the sky. So there is a star also. Okay, Mercury. The first puzzle is Mercury. Now see here, which puzzle piece will come in the second? Yes, see here, this one. No. Yes, see here, this is some part of the head and the missing part of the star also. So this puzzle is containing the planet Venus. That means Venus stays in the second orbit in the solar system. So it will come in the number 2. Okay, like this. Now we have to search for the missing part of the head. Can you see it? Where is the missing part of the head? Yes, very good. See here, here it is. Yes, and this puzzle piece contains the planet Earth. Planet Earth. Earth is the planet in which we live, and it is also known as the blue planet. So like this we have to arrange this. Okay. Now see here. After completing the head, the remaining part will be the neck. Yes, so we have to search for the neck. Can you see it? See here. Here it is. Yes. And this puzzle piece contains the planet Mars. Contains the planet Mars. So, Mars stays in the fourth orbit. Okay. Now see here, half of the body is completed. We have to look for the rest of the part of the body to complete our puzzle. Yes, here it is. And this puzzle piece contains the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, and it stays in the fifth orbit. Jupiter stays in the fifth orbit. Now see here, the body part is completed. Now here the remaining part will be the leg. So we have to search for the legs. See here. Yes, look here. Here the hand is also missing here. We can search for the hand also. Yes, can you see it? Very good. Here it is. And this puzzle piece contains Saturn. Saturn. So, the next planet in the sixth orbit will be Saturn. Okay, Saturn. Now, see here, some parts of the stars are missing over here and the half of the leg is also missing. So, let us look for it, okay? See here, which one will be there? This one or this one? Very good, this one. This puzzle piece contains the planet Uranus. Uranus. Let us put it here, and Uranus comes in the seventh orbit. Now the remaining and the last eighth puzzle piece, and it is containing the planet Neptune. Neptune. Neptune stays in the eighth orbit. Orbit number 8. So we have completed our puzzle. See here. Can you tell me what picture we are getting from the puzzle? It is the picture of an astronaut. It is the picture of an astronaut. And here are the 8 planets according to their order in the solar system. See here, Mercury stays in the first orbit, Venus in the second orbit, Earth in the third orbit, Mars in the fourth, Jupiter in the fifth, Saturn in the sixth, Uranus in the seventh, and Neptune in the eighth. So this is the order of the planets in the solar system. Kids, hope you all have enjoyed this puzzle game. This was our planet puzzle. Okay. Hope you all loved it. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.